Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about how to create PowerPoint file and how to add animation into it. PowerPoint, to represent your ideas you can use PowerPoint slides. While creating slides, if you want to make it real, you can add animation. So students, if you have any idea you want to represent, then you can prepare PowerPoint animation. You can add animation in text, audio, images, shapes, sound. Like that way you can able to create your own imagination. So I would like to represent in front of you how to start PowerPoint. Click on the chart menu, then in search just write it down PowerPoint, and in front of you will get the option of PowerPoint. Just click on that, you will get PowerPoint in front of you. Now if you have any ideas you want to represent, then you have proper platform right now, PowerPoint presentation. Just prepare the slides regarding your family, regarding your school, regarding your new ideas, any invention you can able to represent and make it like a real by using animation. Let's have a look. I'm just selecting text. Okay, animation. From animation you have to select, just pay your attention, custom animation. Remember this word, custom animation, or you can click custom animation. So this thing is clear to you. If you add custom animation option, again I show you custom animation. If you click over there, you have marked it out, this custom animation window will be added into your Windows screen. If I click over here again, then it will be stop animation, custom animation. Just remember this word, custom animation. Now it's very interesting. I have selected the text. I just want to make it different. I just want to represent, grow, shrink. This is the animation effect. Say for example, I would like to move the text as I want. Then you can select from motion path, draw custom path, and whatever the path you draw, say for example I am drawing over here letters. Then PowerPoint animation text will be moved like this. So you just keep it inside your slide. If it go outside, try to make it inside only. Again I am playing. I have added animation while selecting it, grow and shrink effect. After that I wanted to move it. So this is the interesting effect. Just select it again. If you want to change any other effect, there are huge number of effects are there. More effects, you will get lots of option. You just try it out which one is interesting for you, which make you more. See what will be the benefit of using PowerPoint slide into animation. See, actually it is used in a company also, as well as for representing in education also it is used. For what purpose? To attracting the audience. If you just type it out simple letters, instead of that, if you add animation, then everybody will pay attention where? Into your slide. So that is the reason we are adding animation into the slide text. So try it out this thing, it will be useful to you. I'll again show you the same thing repeatedly, where I have written my name, I just want to represent that it will move left and right. Then it will move if I'll select it. So I've added animation. If you want to play, you can able to see how it look. PowerPoint animation, ladder, different effects are there which I have added. So according to that it will move and it will come again at their original place after completing the slides. Same thing again I'll show you. Just pay your attention. I would like to give effect into the shape. Insert. You know very well how to add the shapes. I'm adding star. You all are star. Yes, you will be learning this all the thing for what? Day by day you will learn computer. Then you become smarter than me, and the day will come you will learn all the things like this. And in 21st century, so India needs young minds. India have a young minds which can do like this way and learn also. So this way you can able to represent the thing which you want. Now say for example you have taken two shapes. I know now you have understood how to add shapes and how to give effects. Say for example I just want to clear to you, I have taken the star and I am taking moon. Say for example you want to give effect, then it can be possible for both together. Let's see how it can be possible. I am just selecting the moon. See, I have selected moon. I am giving effect to whom? Moon. Which effect? Grow and shrink. Okay. Now I have added effect. Now I want to change the color. You can change the color. Okay. You have changed the color. You want to change the color of star. You can change it. Any of the color. You can take multiple star also. Now I am just trying to play how it looks. Now what you have marked it out that both the effects are not showing together. Now I am just doing one thing. I am selecting and I am giving over here with previous effect. See what I am changing. I have selected the moon and I am giving effect with previous. Now again I am playing. See star move. After that automatically moon will be grow. I wanted to select both the things. Then you must press two buttons. Which one? Which button you will press to select both? You have to press. Let me show you. Control and Shift key to select two shapes together. So I am selecting first, then after I am clicking Control and Shift and I am selecting another object also. Control Shift I have pressed continuously. Control Shift मैंने प्रेस करके ही रखी है दोनों की और मैं माउस से सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूं मल्टीपल शेप्स. I wanted to make it group. I have saved as a group. Now again I wanted to give the effect, more effect. See both together it will work. So using Control and Shift key you can able to do like this way. Sun comes, moon and star goes out. Like this way you can able to represent your ideas. So this is about shape. You can make it colorful, you can add multiple shapes, and you can represent your ideas. Now further I would like to show you about image. If you have your own image, you can see over here insert picture from file. You can insert the picture which you have. Say for example I have a picture that I am adding over here. Which picture you have, you can able to add it. You can resize it. You can make it different. How? Let's have a look. See, I am selecting over here from the format tab menu. From that I am selecting round the circle. See the change you can able to see. You can make it more real and you can give 3D effects. So much 3D effects are there. So your animation look great with effects. You can change the picture shape also. If you want to change with smiley face, it can be changed. If you want to change with arrow keys to represent anything, you can. So this way you can able to add the animation effect. After that you can change with effect. I have added into the arrow key image. After that I am giving animation effect that this arrow key should go right side. Then it will move. Okay, so like this way you can able to represent your animation. And if you wants to make it more interesting, you can add motion path. Draw custom. There are lots of options. As you draw, it will work it out as you have drawn arrow keys. It will be very interesting if you can able to pay your attention proper. If I would like to make it in a small size, it will be there with the small size. So any of the arrow key, any of the thing you can able to add, and you can able to add animation inside it to make it more real. So it's like a even. Same way you can able to add any of the shapes from insert shapes. You are adding the shapes. Now I am just selecting this shape from format menu. I am fill-upping these shapes into picture or gradient effect. There are lots of gradient effects are also there. You can make it colorful. You represent your ideas. You can, instead of that, you can add texture picture also. So waterfall, any of the effect, mountain, if you wants to draw, you can. If you wants to add picture inside this triangle, you can. Again I am adding the image, insert. So like this way also you can able to add the image. So this way you can able to make the difference and represent your ideas. You want to give effect. Any other effect remain? So many effects are there. You just find it out from custom animation, add effect from that motion path, more motion path, and you will get huge number of effects. Star, equal triangle, heart shape. So like this way you can able to add and it will show the effects the same way. It will move like that way. So this all are the animation effects in which you can add image, shapes, text and make it look interesting. If you want to add sound, video, you can add sound, video into your slides. Even if you have recorded any of the thing, your voice, you can able to add record sound from your file. If you have any song, you can able to play while adding the music to add. So like this way you can able to add the sound, movies, and make your slide more interesting. Let me show you how it will work. I am pressing slideshow and beginning slideshow or F5. Press F5 key, shortcut key to play the slideshow. See, right now I need to click on any of the effect. In every effect I have to give animation effect. So every time step by step I need to do what? I need to add. Again and again I need to press. I want effect in such a way that automatically it will move the slide and I don't need to press any of the key. Then you just click automatically after. Say for example 2. So I just click over there. I'm adding sound. These all are the different sound. You can add the sounds wherever you want. You can add into your slide. If you add the sound, it will see, like this way you can add the sound into your and you can make your animation more interesting. So everybody will pay the attention into your animation as well as whatever the sound you have added. It will make it more. So again I am playing, but I have changed over here what I want. I am selecting all the slide. Control A. If you press Control A, you can able to select all the slide. Automatically after what I have changed before, you all remember. I am just removing this 00 colon sign